What's up? My name is Sam, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make radish cakes, or Luo Buo Gao. Not only is this recipe easy, but you will find the result superior to many restaurant offerings. Start by rehydrating some dried shrimp. Do this before anything else since it will need to sit for 20 minutes. We are going to use a lot of shredded radish in order to make sure the flavor punches through. The fine shreds will disappear into the radish cake and yet still be present in aroma and flavor. Finely mince the rehydrated shrimp and toast it in fried shallot oil to bring out its full scent and flavor, about 30 seconds. Cook off the raw flavor of the radish on medium heat and infuse it with the scent of fried shallots and shrimp. This takes about 2 minutes. Drop the heat to low and add the water, salt, and fried shallots. Rice flour helps to bind the ingredients together and create a super crunchy exterior when fried. The heat must be on low at this time, or the rice flour will be extremely difficult to mix in evenly. When all the rice flour has been mixed in, increase the heat to medium and cook until the mixture becomes more and more like clay. This will prevent the radish shreds from floating to the top and decrease the cook time in the next step. Pack the mixture into a container and steam it for 40 minutes. And while you wait, help us out by subscribing and liking the video. To test that the radish cake is fully cooked, poke it with a chopstick and make sure it comes out completely clean. Cutting the radish cake when it is completely cooled is easier and will also prevent it from sticking to the pan during the frying process. Crisp up both sides in a pan. The starch from the rice flour will yield a super crispy and crunchy exterior. All you need now are your favorite dipping sauces to enjoy your radish cakes from scratch. Try this recipe and you are sure to agree that this is one of the best ways to enjoy radishes. And we will see you in the next one when it's time to eat again.